Alabama. We're so excited. We're so excited. 1:45 in the morning. We're ready to go. Hi guys. We're stopped at McDonald's to go to the bathroom, and we're in Kentucky.
Yes.
Kentucky. We're super excited. We're halfway there. I fell asleep a lot of it.
Not quite.
I've been in and out, in and out. He's been doing an amazing job. We're getting closer. We have about 5 hours left. He's been doing such an amazing job. Look at how cute he is. I just can't. There it is. We're like so close.
So close as in like just slightly over halfway.
Yeah, we've already gone through half.
Yeah.
We're like almost done. We're super excited. I'm gonna have different music. Alright guys, we're about to get into Tennessee. Come on guys, we missed it. We are here. We're so close now. We have like how many minutes? 2.5 hours-ish?
Yeah.
We're getting so close. Ah! Yeah, we're gonna stop at Nashville and just kind of, you know, do some extra things for being in Nashville. We've both been in there, but when we walked by them, I've been to Nashville, but a really long time ago, and I was young. And he's never really been into Nashville walking. He's only been there driving, so it's gonna be fun. We're almost there, kind of already there, almost there. All right, we're in Nashville right now. We are gonna go have brunch. It's so nice out. I just changed to shorts. I do have Red Wing stuff on here now. Just paying for parking right now. I'm so excited. How you feeling?
Okay.
He's okay. He's a little, you know.
My back is like really messed up.
He's just not feeling very well. But there's Nashville.
I think that's the line for the place.
Ouch. We are here in Alabama. Woo! Alabama! You guys can kind of see where we're going now, but look at everything. How's it been going so far?
It's long.
See, I don't think it's been that long. But then again, I haven't been driving. He has been. But I've been keeping him company until when I fell asleep. But as much as I could. He's having a great time. I'm having a great time. I love him. I think he loves me. We're almost there. We're driving. We just saw a rocket. It didn't go,
Saturn
but like
V
you,
rocket.
what is it?
I believe it's the Saturn V rocket from the Apollo days.
Oh wow, that looks cool. Here you go, guys. Look how cool it is. The rocket. That is so cool. We are so close. We're like just gonna turn right, and then we're like getting like almost right where the house is. We're even getting even closer. Here we go. Oh my gosh. You're so, oh, this is cute.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's like super cute. Where's our house? There it is. Oh my God. This is the back of the house. And then here is, right here. I hope it's corn. I think it's so cute. I can't wait to see the inside. I know. All right, so I love it. Haven't even been inside yet, but we have so many plans about what we're doing outside. It's gonna be cute. What are we doing?
We just had our first Huntsville dinner.
We did. We just had Mexican. It was so good.
The guy from the furniture store recommended it. It was good.
He was correct. This is amazing. I loved
It
it.
was quite good. It was a wait as to be expected. They closed kind of early.
first night with our new house. So exciting. I'm not gonna show you kind of anything around because we are gonna do a video of like going through everything, but it was great. We're so excited. I've said that like 4 times already today. I'm gonna go and get some stuff from the store and we're just so happy. Downtown Huntsville. It is so pretty. Like, how is this so pretty? All right, here's downtown Huntsville. So beautiful here. We're absolutely loving it. It's like beautiful here, and I love it because it's like so, it looks very new. It probably isn't new, but it looks new. It's just, it looks so like.
Oh, they have koi fish.
Yeah. Koi ponds.
I don't know what those other fish are, but that looks like a koi fish to me.
Hey guys. This one's like staring right at me. It's weird. Alright guys, we're at home right now. We're just looking for stuff that we want, that we need. And there's so much stuff in here. I feel like I need it all. Dinner today in Huntsville. Alright, so we're on our way in the airport. We're leaving. It was an amazing trip. We can't wait to come back at the end of this month. And as I've said the entire time, we're very excited. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.